What do we got going on today? Today we're doing bloated insulation, and as usual, Rascal's out here to supervise and make sure we got everything going the right way. Apparently we're doing a good job. There it is, chewing up the insulation, mixing it with air. But it blows it up above. But first, I probably ought to put a little bit more in there because it looked pretty close to empty. Let's take a moment. There we go. Got a nice full hopper now. You can see it blowing insulation through the tube with the air right up into the attic. And how do you do bloated insulation? Well, first you find somebody, a friend of yours who's smaller than you and doesn't mind going up into the attic. Here's the bales of the insulation. It's compressed paper that's been ground up. You throw it in here, it breaks it up, mixes it with air, blows it through the tube. Takes it wherever you're blowing it, spreads it out in a nice big fluffy blanket. And of course, Rascal's still around to supervise. Like any supervisor, he's right in the way of actually getting the work done. There's my friend crawling out. And we'll go in and take a look in just a moment. There it is. This attic had R13 3.5-inch insulation that belongs in walls in the attic. That was all there was up there. Now it's got a nice 6 or 8-inch layer of this fluffy stuff. And I can tell you it's been a few days and it makes a huge difference in the comfort level in the home. Huge difference. If you're thinking about insulating your house, this is quick, it's easy, and it's cheap.